Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to continue with our stonework on our new project. As you see, I'm going to give you some inside tip of how to lay stone on a foundation starting from scratch. This is what you need to know. Let's dive right into the video guys. So here is where we're going to lay our stone today. We're going to continue to go all the way up to the top. As you see here, this is our foundation ledge. So we're going to lay our stone starting from here and go all the way over here. We're going to take the measurement from this concrete ledge, go right up to our porch here, and so that we come flush with the porch. That way we could go straight over that way and have to put a cut that way. So if we need to put a cut, we're going to put our cut right down here on our ledge. So we're going to do that right now. I'll show you guys how to do that. So guys, our biggest stone that we're using is 11¼ So we want to measure 11¼ from the top of our porch come down. That way we know if we need to put a cut, we put our cut right. We'll put them now, we'll take them down back. Okay guys, so we take our level from our porch. We're going to take 11¼ down. 11¼ is right here, and then we're going to need our joint. So this is 4 inches. So we've got to go with a bigger joint here, and then because the smallest stone that we have is 4 inches. So we want to work up to come to this one here, so we come flush on top of our porch. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So the way we do it out here in Canada, we normally put our marler right here on the ledge. If the concrete started here, we don't put our weeping plastic until we reach to 6 inches beneath where the foundation starts. Here you have it, we have our weeping plastic right there now. So now we gotta just put our paper and continue. So what you want to do, you want to just mark here so that you know this is the level where you need to put your weeping oil, just in case you forget where you put your weeping plastic. Just make a hole here. Earlier guys, I explained to you guys to take your measurement from the porch, go all the way up. As you see here, work our way. You see the work comes right on top of our porch here without we have to do any cut around here. So as you see here, we don't have to do any cut because we take our measurement and we try to work our way down. So next thing we want to do guys, we want to measure our sill. Our sill is 3 inches, you want to go 3½ for your mortar. 3½ here, you want to measure 11½ down, which is our stone is 11½. And another 11½, as you see it's right on top of my stone right here now. So we're good, so we don't have to cut for our sill. It's perfect guys. Here we have 3 feet of medium. You want to break it. Like I mentioned in most of my video, the rule is to not go no more than 4 feet this way, and then you gotta break it. Now we're gonna put a small one here, right? This one you want to match it with your previous one. Bring it right down to the bottom. Match it with your previous joint that you already have laid. This way you have a level stone. This one you want to come on up to the bottom, like we always did in most of my video. Another one here. have to break it. Remember I told you guys, no more than 4 feet. Then we want to plumb it this way now. Yeah man, so here now we're gonna put a big one there, guys. Put a biggie. Biggie! Yeah man. Biggie. Put it on level. Make sure that one is nice and straight. Go like this again. Don't forget we're using our finger here. Maintain the cavity all the way out. Once we have a small, we have to either put a big or a medium. But in this case, you only can put a medium because coming up this way, you can't have no more than the biggest size, which is 11.5. We have to put a medium one right here now. Big one here. Big one, we want to match it with the previous one that I already laid. Because remember, we're not going with a medium, we're going with a bigger size. So you want to make sure you match it with this one. Then we put our level. Remember, we can't go no higher than the biggest size stone that we have. So here clearly it's calling for a small one. So we have to put a small one here now. Here now we gotta put a small one here because we have a medium. We can't put a medium here because if we put a medium here, then we're gonna break our rule that we have, which we don't want to go no more than the biggest size, which is 12.5. So a medium and a small add up to the same 12.5, just like the big one. Just like if we to measure this one right now, you see, with the joint it's 11.5. So once we reach 11.5, we have to break it. That's basically how you lay the stone. So now we're going to put another one here, and then we have to put one across here to break this band that we already laid here. You see what I mean in a minute. So now we're going to put one here. So here, in this job here, we have mostly big ones. I don't know why they bring the stone like that, but because of the amount of big ones that we had here, we have to use a lot of big ones. Here now we're gonna put a small medium here, then we're gonna put another big one here because we have to use it up. If we don't use it up, then we're gonna run short on stone. We don't want that. Guys, I need some stone over here. No stone, go home. Okay, so we're gonna put a medium here. We have to put a medium here because remember we have to break it once we reach 11.5. Now we're 11.5 here. We have to break it. So now we can put a big one here, come all the way over to here if we wish to. And like I said, we have to use up the big because we have a lot of big. On this job we have mostly big. So on my tape you see it says 17. We can use a 17. We want to go in the center here. We don't want to go no less than 4 inches from this joint that we already had here. So we can go 17 right in the center here and we're good. finger as our guide. Continue. Guys, so we're gonna put some brick ties now. We're going to run our 45 nail. We have a straight corner all the way out. Yeah, I say if you want to take it down, I'm going to use it. Install our sill, we want to check for slope. Make sure we have enough slope, guys. Now we want to check to make sure all three of them is in line. So we want to use a corner lock, just like so. Perfect. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up here now. I don't want to draw on the video too long. But if you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. We upload video twice a week. All different type of contents. Brick, block, stone, concrete, you name it. And we have lots more video coming up. Just gonna cut this one short here. Don't want to join in too much. Thank you for watching. As always, see you in the next one. Bye for now.